where people announce what they're doing.
Okay, well I'll announce.
I really do.
He's jumping in the deep ass snow. Okay, now you're being gay.
Fuck you.
Back flop.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, it didn't go that deep.
Oh my God.
Hey, hold on, stay there.
It's actually really comfortable. Like if it wasn't so cold, I would enjoy sleeping here. You wanna help me out now?
In a moment.
Don't be a douche.
I must photograph you. I wanted you to stand out there.
This was more fun.
Well, I can help you now.
It's really cold. I'm afraid to put my feet down.
Wait, what's going on?
I'm afraid to put my feet down because it's going to be really cold and lower in socks.
Why didn't you put boots and socks
Because
on?
you told me to hurry up. I said, hey, I'm going to go dress warm, and you said no.
Like I'm your mommy.
Like, that was verbatim.
That was verbatim.
It sucks so bad. It was worth it.
You did a back flop in the 2 feet of snow?
It was worth it.
Oh yeah, because of all the drift.
Cool. And I have no, like, foot support. Like, I'm trying to put my feet down, and it sinks.
Tuck and roll, Willie. Yeah, jump over there. Make a big snow angel.
This is just warmer tonight.
Now go throw your shit in the dryer. Go.
The hell?
He didn't even flinch. She's no death perception.
How's it feel up there?
It feels good until we get the snow out of the way, and then it's slippery.
Oh,
There's actually not a whole lot of ice.
really?
Yeah. It's just hard, heavy snow.
Well, you know why there's no ice? Because it's not heated.
That's going to be a pain. We'll be careful not to damage shingles on that.
Yeah.
If I fall off, I want you to get it on film.
Okay, go ahead, fall. No, don't fall.
Make sure it didn't fall in their carport.
What did?
That pile of, I just don't want them getting mad.
I know. But there's like a 4-foot spot where there's just snow here.
Oh.
Do you see? Or you can't?
See it.
Ours?
Yeah.
No. Sinbad. Get it, get.